AdroitLogic Integration Platform Server is a multi-node container platform based on Docker and Kubernetes to easily deploy and manage AdroitLogic Ultra ESB instances. This screencast will walk you through the installation guide of a 30-day IPS evaluation setup on your working machine. Before continuing with the installation, please note that this is a tailored version of AdroitLogic Integration Platform, which is specifically designed for evaluation purposes, so we strongly advise you not to use this in a production environment. IPS Installer is currently available for Mac OS X and Linux platforms and requires that VirtualBox version 5.0.8 or higher is installed on your machine. IPS Installer also requires you to have a Docker Hub account. If you don't have an account, you can create a free account easily at hub.docker.com. To start with the installation, first go to AdroitLogic.org page and select Integration Platform from Products menu. Click Try Now button to go to Download view of IPS Installer, and click Download button under your preferred operating system. Go through the license agreement and fill your details, including your Docker Hub account name. We need a Docker Hub account name as we are providing access to IPS Docker Hub repositories via that account. Once you submit the form, you will receive an email containing the download link for IPS Installer and a client key file that is required for licensing. Download the installer from the provided link and extract it to a local directory. Download the client key file attached to the email and copy it to the license directory inside the configuration directory of the extracted installer. Open the README file of the installer and download the MySQL JDBC driver from the specified URL. Extract the downloaded archive and copy the MySQL driver jar file to the library directory of the installer. Now we are ready to begin the installation. First, go to the bin directory of the installer from a terminal and add bin directory to the system path. That's it. Now run IPS Installer Start. Installer will ask for your Docker Hub credentials and download the required Docker images from cloud repositories. You will get notified with a success message once the installation is complete. Now run IPS_installer IP to get the IP address of running virtual machine. Now go to your web browser and enter this URL to go to IPS main dashboard, changing the IP address to the one you received earlier. To get started with the platform, go to the product documentation link provided in the email you have received earlier. Once you have finished playing with the IPS setup, you can temporarily shut it down by running IPS_installer stop. If you want to remove the IPS setup completely, run IPS_installer delete. This will erase the virtual machine along with all data downloaded for setting up IPS and all data inside your IPS setup, including clusters, projects, configurations, etc. This is the end of the screencast, and I hope you have a good understanding about setting up an IPS evaluation deployment on your machine. If you have any questions or feedback about AdroitLogic Integration Platform or other AdroitLogic services, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.